The TreeSqueeze by Buckingham. The TreeSqueeze provides fall-restrained work positioning. Its rigid construction allows for a smoother ascent. The TreeSqueeze conforms with ANSI Z133, keeping an arborist secured when climbing on spurs. It also provides a choking lanyard system in the event of a gaff out. Doubled rigid line construction provides cut resistance from handsaws. The ring pressic provides quick adjustment for different diameter stems. It provides a secure tie-in point where a natural tie-in point does not exist for easy descent and self-rescue. The TreeSqueeze doubles as a retrievable friction saver when the climber reaches the canopy. The TreeSqueeze is available in many different lengths. This is Ken Palmer with Arbor Master, reminding you to climb safe, cut safe, and rig it right. We'll see you at the top.